Hello, this is day 25, I think, of me trading. So, yesterday I forgot to mention something, and that was a trade I took, but I didn't make a video on because the last video I did was like on December 3rd, and it was this horribly gone wrong trade. So, I also had this trade. So let me switch to the 5-minute time frame real quick. I hope it's still on there because it's quite some time ago. Okay, yeah, barely on the edge. But as you could see, um, there was like this breaker block because it went like up, down, up, came back into that zone, and then I thought, okay, this will be like my signal to short the trade. Because as you can see, yeah, I need to make it better next time, but price went up really fast right there. So we can see there were like, I hate this magnetic tool sometimes, fair value gaps forming, and the price had to go down there eventually, and it also dipped right here into that breaker block. Then it went up. I started the trade right here because I thought, okay, it was going down. But the thing was, I should have waited for the price to come down here again and then took the short trade. Should have taken the short trade. So that's probably the mistake that I made right there. But other than that, the price when it moved like this, and it has gone up a bit, maybe to even out this high. Yeah, right there. Um, and then it came down pretty fast and eventually hit my take profit. So I just entered too early. I should have waited a bit more, been a bit more patient. And I think that was my mistake. And it would have been, I think, good executed trades if I would have taken the trade a bit later and waited for the price to come down again. But yeah, that's unfortunate, but it happens. And today, at least since yesterday, I don't think very much happened. Um, so yesterday I marked out this on an hourly time frame. Uh, now I can switch on the 5-minute time frame. And as we can see, like early in the morning, the price moved really fast. I don't know why the candle closes there and the next one opened there, but yeah, um, so price came down and then in London session, yeah, it recovered a bit, went up, and then in New York, right there, yeah, oopsie, that's not what I meant to do. Um, it moved sideways a bit, so I don't think there are any patterns to spot here. I think today the market moved a bit wild and random. So at these days, it's also not worth it to take a trade. Maybe I could have seen something. I don't know. Maybe I'm just blind. Happens. But yeah, I also think that's everything I had to say for today. I don't want to make it too long with unnecessary information. So I think that's it for today. And I hopefully see you tomorrow. So have a nice evening. Bye bye.